Green Living Guy here. What's up? Listen, I've had now for 3 weeks a package in my living room, and it didn't cause a problem for anybody. I know that sounds like, what are you talking about? But check this out. Here's the box. Okay? It's with this company called Havelock. They have, check this out. You ready? What is that? What is that? Wool-based insulation. So, why did I do this test? Because simply, wool doesn't cause problems breathing. You know that fiberglass stuff that you put in your attic that's, well, like, bad for your breathing? Wool. Freaking wool. I can touch this and it doesn't affect my hands. Touch this. It doesn't do nothing. It's wool. It's wool. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to bring it downstairs. Because I'm going to bring this downstairs. And I'm going to put it in an area where there's still some insulation, but I'm not having it no more. Sorry, not having it. Now, I'm not going to touch that other crap insulation. Yeah, I said it. Sorry. But I did. So we're going to put in, here's this. Put this in by hand. Because I can touch it. Put it to my face. Now, Havelock, by the way, is also, it's not recyclable or whatever, but it's compostable afterwards. Because it's going to be, you know, in your attic and dirty and all that stuff. So check this, right? Here, see all that area? So, I'm going to take this. And I'm going to cut it up. And I'm going to put it in there. Because look how long this is. This is like a bat. Let me see if there's an area here where I can bat this puppy. Oh, there's an area where I can bat it. Hold on a second. Oh, this is exciting. Can I bat that? Can I bat that? Can I bat that? Hold on. Let's see where I can bat this puppy. Yeah. Found it. Here we go. Say hello to your little friend. Look at that. It's beautiful. And when I press on it, right, and stuff comes out, guess what it is? Wool. And it doesn't affect my breathing. I mean, like, no mask. Do you know what it means to have no mask to deal with insulation? I can't even tell you. Listen, get that Havelock, because it's white, which means it's real green wool. Havelock. Green Living Guy, one small step at a time with that Havelock in the back, yo. Peace.